Today I come in with you to show you how I make this wonderful, cheesy, delicious breadsticks. If you would like to know how I made it, stay tuned. Keto cheesy breadsticks. They are really delicious, only 4 ingredients and easy to make. You only need mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, and little bit of garlic powder. Everything else you can always add it to the breadsticks, and it's really delicious. It's low ingredients, it's almost 0 carbs. It's wonderful snack for evening with family evening time. And let's start to cook. First, you need it preheated your oven for 350 degrees. You do need it laying down a parchment paper on a baking sheet. Mix your ingredients. In a bowl, you combine all ingredients together. It's 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you like it a little bit more garlics or garlicky cheesy, you can add it half of teaspoon more. When you combine together, you place it on a parchment paper on a baking sheet and flatten this out like normally you cook a pizza crust. Later, you put this in the oven already preheated for 350 degrees and let's stay there for 15 minutes. It depends on your oven. You can have a higher or lower temperature. After 10 minutes, I suggest for you to go to your oven and see pizza not so much baked too much, or it's burned up, or it's not baking at all. Come back after it and check again. Normally in my oven, it's baking for 15 minutes. On your oven, it can be taken longer, or it's less time. It depends of every oven. They can be taken longer or less, and it depends of your area where you live. If it's a high altitude, it can be taken longer to bake. Make properly adjustments. After you bake for 15 minutes, take your baking sheets and place on a higher rack in the oven and put on a broil and bake for extra couple minutes. After you bake on a broiler for a couple minutes, take out and let it sit for 1 minute. Grab your cutting pizza cutter and cut on a cubes, on a slices, any cubes you would like to. After that, you can place them in a container, on zipper logs. Prepare this. They're really easy to freeze them and later on freeze and preheating them up. They're really easy to do anything. Another thing what you can do, you can combine mozzarella cheese with shredded cheddar cheese. It still needed 1 cup together, and you can make this way too. If you have on hand cheddar cheese, you can do this too. Another thing, you can put it seasoning like Italian seasoning on top, or parsley, or a little bit for spice. My husband loved that. Little bit pepper flakes. You can prepare this with tomato paste, with tomato sauce, or ranch. Anything you would like, it will be great. But they going good without anything else. Really good, tasty snacks. A wine lover, I am. Sometimes in the evening it's really nice to have a little bit wine to yourself or with your husband, and you can prepare this cheesy breadsticks and it will be delicious. Put olives on the side, put a little bit salami, and it will be a really good snack. Your husband will appreciate and you will be enjoyed too. Thank you for coming for my channel, and I hope you enjoying this recipe. Let me know if you try this recipe and leave me comments below, or give me a thumbs up if you liking it, and please subscribe to my channel. I would like to have more subscribers, and see you tomorrow. Bye.